So here is where you can find in Hey Monika how you can raise an issue or you can raise a bug, etc. So we're going to sign into Hey Monika in the app, and you'll be used to this dashboard by now. So here's all the different scenarios, but what we can do now at the bottom is just click on feedback just here. Now what we can do is we can actually see all recent feedback. We can also look at the roadmap and go to the changelog just here, and we can also create a post. So if we're having an issue anywhere within Hey Monika, we can go to create a post. So we can give it a category, so we can say I need help with AI Monika, and we can tell the scenario. So for instance, if we just said it's scenario 2, it's Vanessa, and what we can do is we can describe what the issue is. So we've got some items here that we could select, and this will show us a recent one, so it means there that we can upvote this if it's already there, for example, and if not, let's just go back a step. Now let's just say issue with chat feature, and here what we're going to do is we're going to add even more detail. So the more detail that you can add here, the better. What you can also do is you can also upload attachments. So the more screenshots the better, I would say, so that we can focus on what the issue is for you and get that resolved as soon as possible. And then if you submit that, we will then see that on our end, and we can then resolve that for you. Now there is another way that you can see all open tickets, and that is if you just go to HeyMonika.com, you'll see under feedback any open tickets. You can sort by category, you can look at a changelog, and also a roadmap. So roadmaps are things like ideas for a feature, help with something else, etc. So down here you can select any one of these categories. So there you go. And if you ever get stuck, don't forget that you can talk to us in the Facebook group at any point.